Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Manahil Khakwani. Today I'm going to discuss with you guys about winter drink, that benefit of clove water and how to make it. Before I start this, here I want to make a request. If you are new on this channel, please do subscribe and share my channel, and please don't forget to press bell icon. So guys, clove is a popular spice with several health benefits. Clove, which is called as long, it has lots of benefits and advantages. It really boosts immunity and protects you from influenza. It helps in digestion, cures respiratory illnesses, promote weight loss, and are well known as a home remedy for toothache. Clove has an antioxidant called as eugenol, which helps to relieve pain. Drinking clove water regularly is advised, which help it all these problems. So today I am going to give you two recipes for making clove water. So the first one is tangy clove water. You will need one peeled and chopped orange, one or two cinnamon stick, 50 grams clove and 1 cup of water. Bring water to a boil in a pot, then add cinnamon, cloves and orange pieces. Let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink this early in the morning for better digestion and better blood circulation. Oranges contain flavorness, which antiviral benefits, and cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon is also good for your nervous system. So the second recipe is clove cooler. You will need 50 grams clove, 2 tablespoon fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 teaspoon honey and 1 cup of water. Soak 50 grams clove and 2 tablespoon fennel seed in the night before in the morning. Now strain the water and add soaked chia seeds and honey. Mix this well and drink it on an empty stomach for better digestion. Fennel seeds regulate blood pressure and purifies blood, and chia seeds are high in fiber and protect your heart, and honey is good and boosting your memory, and you keep your mood uplifted. Including cloves to your diet brings warmth to your system. So, it is preferable to drink clove water in winter, but remember, clove contain eugenol that seems to slow blood clotting. So, if you have any bleeding disorder, avoid clove water. And if you have no such issues, drink clove water moderately, especially during the winter months or when you're suffering from flu-like infection, and you will be surprised by the improvement in your health. Allah Hafiz.